them short shit. We rockin' with these stitches. Fucking stock, we got extended clips. Lil' baby, I'm the man. I bounce out in the stolen whip. Lil' baby hit my line. She say it coming.
It's your boy, KJ, the mobile gamer. Now you feel that? That's what y'all call me. Call me Mr. Do Everything. You feel that? I change my Instagram name. And I game, bro. Nobody do it like me. But only person that do it like me is CJ So Cool. So I pull up with Carrie like, yeah. Mr. Bro. Hit, if you new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Click around up. Shout out to my editor too, bro. I just got a new editor. You'll be seeing some good stuff. But he's really not that good. Pass it. Rondo. Let's get it. We got the pack opening, so you'll stay tuned. So what we got a chance to win? Let's get it. Got one. Knee passes. Western Conference. So make sure you guys subscribe for more lit content. You guys can see Amy and Super Rachel, all that. So yeah, we took the dub. Another video coming after this. So yeah, keep watching.
Got the blower on them short shit. We rockin' with these stitches. Fucking stock, we got extended clips. Lil' baby, I'm the man. I bounce out in the stolen whip. Lil' baby hit my line. She say it coming, pick her up.